Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make this cute little banana out of resin and polymer clay. So first we're going to make the banana template to make the resin mold. So I'm taking some scrap clay and I'm rolling it into a cylinder, and I'm going to pinch the ends so it's spindle shaped. And once you have that, you want to give it a slight bend to make it into a banana or a crescent moon shape. And using my blade, I'm going to cut off the end so it's easier to make the mold with. So once the mold is set, you want to slowly remove the template from the mold. Then for my resin, I'm going to pour it into a small little plastic cup. And I'm adding a few little white dots of pigment to give it that white banana look. And I'm pouring the resin mixture into my mold. And after letting the mixture cure for 2 minutes under the UV lamp, I'm slowly removing it from the mold. For the banana peel, I'm taking some white clay and I'm going to roll it flat. And I'm repeating the same step with some yellow clay. And I'm stacking the yellow piece of clay on top of the white clay. And this will be for the banana peel. Then I'm going to cut the clay into small strips. And I'm cutting the corners of the strips so it kind of resembles a flower petal. And I'm going to pinch it so the edges are smooth. Now I'm adding a little piece of white clay on the bottom of my banana so it continues the banana shape. And I'm adding my banana peels to the bottom of my banana, making sure it surrounds the entire resin piece. For the next step, I'm going to use my fingers to blend the peels together. And slowly I'm going to bend the banana peels downwards so it looks like it's peeled. Then I'm taking some brown clay and pinching it into a triangle, and I'm going to place that on the bottom of my banana. So once finished, you want to bake the entire piece in the oven according to instructions. And if you're worried about baking resin, you can always take out the resin part before baking. I personally don't have a problem with it. I don't know about fumes or anything like that, but I have yet to have an issue. But if you are a little bit worried, you can always take out the resin piece prior to baking it and then glue it on later. For the final step, I want to make my banana a lot more shiny and crystal-like, so I'm giving a glaze. And I'm adding some dot eyes and a line smile to give it that kawaii cute look. And once the glaze is dried, you have your complete banana. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was really trying to think of another fruit video to make after my watermelon orange slices, and here it is. If you want to see any other fruit, leave that in the comment section below, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you!